see how it goes. Well, all three got 4 gears. Keep it running. Go around the corner. Last time he got up there, he stalled it right there. And there he goes around the corner. Well, we're getting ready to go to lunch. That's my little bike. We take it to lunch for the first time in several years. That's Kevin's nice new Triumph. The interesting thing about the bike we're riding now, the TR6, that has a 700 kit in it, is that it has so much compression, I can't kickstart it. I mean, literally, I can't kick it hard enough. Kevin can because he's bigger, heavier, stronger. So he has to do the test rides. It's a tough bike to start. But boy, once it gets going, it's a so-and-so. I mean, it's a really good running bike. I can see its competition heritage, but kick-starting it is a so-and-so. Well, here he comes back. Sounds like he's under power. We're there! Good test ride?
Yep, good test ride.
Well, good, because you were out quite a while. I'm starting to worry.
Yeah, yeah, me too. Well, it took me a while to trust it again, you know. I wasn't doing anything silly.
Okay.
Nope, I think she's ready.
All right.
She does like that little extra throttle, rum brum.
Yeah, she will die at throttle down at stops.
Yep.
And you have to keep the R's up yourself. You have to be throttle conscious.
Yep.
That's what I found when I test rode it.
Yep, yeah, if you just give it that rum brum as you're downshifting, you're okay.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, so you're ready to release it?
I am.
Okay, good. I'll let the owner know.
Good.
Good.